Welcome back, everybody. So today we are doing something a little bit different. I've seen a few things on Facebook and I've just been really wanting to give them a try. This happens to be one of the projects I'm working on that I'm going to be showcasing to you guys over the next couple of days. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. So pretty much everything I'm going to be using for this, I got straight from the Dollar Tree. I got the little snowman head here. I got the little feet. Now the ones I seen, they used ice skating feet, but I didn't want to use that. I wanted to use this one, the 2-pack, okay? I also got this bulb from the Dollar Tree as well. The only thing I'm not getting from the Dollar Tree is you're gonna need a hot glue gun, polyacrylic, yeah, and a few more other odds and ends. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get our ornament started. So this is going to be what the snowman's body is, and we want to add some glitter to it. You know, we want to make it sparkly, right? We want to use our glitter. So we're going to use some polyacrylic, and we're going to put that inside of our bulb so that way it acts as the adhesive for our glitter. So now I'm going to go ahead and just use a pipette. Again, the pipettes came from the Dollar Tree too. I know, amazing, right? But I'm going to go ahead and pipette just a little bit. I want to say probably about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons. You just want to be able to have enough at the bottom so that you can easily swirl this around. So after you get enough in the very bottom of your ornament here, you're going to go ahead and just get that swirled around, making sure that it is nicely coated. Then we will take it and just flip it upside down. I have an empty cup there that I'm going to use to empty it all out into. And the great thing is once it's emptied into that cup, of course you can reuse it, or you can dump it back into your container and reuse it for another ornament if need be. And I'm going to let that drain for about 10 minutes. So now after it is drained, it's been 10 minutes, it's going to look a little bit like this, and that's exactly what you want. It's going to have like this clear look to it, but it's still going to be tacky enough to adhere our glitter to. So you're going to go ahead and choose your favorite white glitter to put on the inside. I'm just going to choose Pinnacle, and that's from sscglitters.com if you would like to purchase this glitter. So now again, I'm going to do just like the polyacrylic. I'm going to put enough on the inside so that way I can easily distribute the glitter all the way around. Then we'll just give it a nice tap on our piece of paper here, catching all of that extra glitter that just didn't adhere down. And then we will set that off to the side until we need it. So now we're going to go ahead and get the snowman's head attached to our ornament. I'm going to use the ornament to kind of mark the bottom of the snowman head just so I know where I need to cut. So there you can kind of see where that outline is of the ornament. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my box cutter, and I'm just going to press an indent of my razor down into the circle that ornament made, just so that way when we go to slip on the sleeve of the other ornament, it'll slip right into the inside of what we're doing here. This just really helps out to be able to attach the head to the body. So I'm going to go ahead and utilize the twine that's already attached to this particular ornament to use to be able to attach to my tree. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the packaging from off of that. But for the shoes, I'm going to go ahead and completely remove the loops that are attached to it to be able to attach the tree, because we don't need those. Now we're going to go ahead and attach the head to the base of the body there. So we're going to go ahead and get some hot glue, and I'm just going to run that on the inside of that area that we had pre-sliced so that way we can attach that ornament. So now I'm going to take that, I'm going to press that right inside those slits that we made so that way we can attach it. And there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and run just an extra bit of that hot glue right along the neckline there. That's going to get covered up anyways with a scarf, so you don't have to worry about that. But we want it nicely attached so it won't fall apart on us over the years. So now we're going to go ahead and get his feet attached. So I'm just going to kind of map out where I would like his feet to go. So I'm just going to stand them up and kind of take a look and see what I need to do. They do need to be separated just a little bit. So you're going to have to give them a bit of a stance so that way they fit, or you could have them coming straight off of them like this if you would like to. However way you guys want to do it is completely up to you. Now to attach his feet to his body, again, we're going to utilize our hot glue. We're going to go ahead and place it where we need to and hold on to it for a minute so that way we know it is firmly attached. And then we will come through and do the same thing with the opposite foot. And our snowman is starting to come together. How adorable. You guys are doing an amazing job. So for his mittens, I couldn't find pre-made ornament mittens, so we're going to go ahead and make our own. This again is from the Dollar Tree. This is just a pretty plaid that I had found. It actually matches the other little ornaments we're going to be attaching to his belly that he's going to be holding on to. So we're just going to simply take our fabric and we are going to cut out our own mitten shape. Now, if you wanted to jazz these up and make these like have a 3D look to it, you could add some polyfill and do all that, but I'm just going to use just a single layer as is, like just like this. And then we'll go ahead and cut out a piece of fabric for his scarf as well. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around his neck, and I'm going to get that lined up, and then we are going to glue that down with our hot glue. Now that our scarf is secured down, we're going to go ahead and take this little ornament. I think it was supposed to be for a mini Christmas tree, but it works great to look like he's holding on to this rustic little snowflake, and it matches our fabric as well. Look at us, we're matching and doing and creating here. So now we're going to go ahead and get our hot glue, and we're going to firmly attach that to his belly. Then we're going to go ahead and attach his hand. So I'm going to put a piece of hot glue on the ornament itself, so that way it looks like he's holding on to it. And I'm going to do that with each. So I will just come through and put a little piece on each little side, and then I will put a piece of hot glue on his body, so that way, again, it attaches down to his body. And he is ready to be hung up on your tree. Whether you take this design and duplicate it as is, or you take it and let it inspire you to create something that is completely your own, I hope that you guys had a lot of fun watching this tutorial today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.